Somebody said not to use that much lubricant too, though, because it'll all fly all over the lens.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Forget where what's his name told me that, or if.
How much is the RMR?
It's like almost.
How much?
575-ish.
Wow. Are there enough of them around to find used ones?
I don't think so.
Are they new? They're not new. They're like 3 years old now.
Yeah, a few years.
Well, plus, didn't they used to stuff these things on top of like ACOGs and shit?
Yeah, they still do.
Well, I mean, but they've been around for a while doing that, no?
Not that long.
Oh.
These, because those were like Dr. Optics and other ones. This was made to be a ruggedized version.
Of a Doctor?
You know, like those other ones have been on the market for like 15 years. Task points and Optimas and all that.
What kind of sights do you have on it?
Those are Mariglow suppressor sights.
Are they night sights or no?
No, they're just plain.
I don't
Else
want
you'd have like 4 glowing dots.
Yeah. Are they co-witness? I don't know.
You can use them through it, if that's what you mean.
Well, I mean, is when you shoot, is a dot going to be at the top of your sights?
I don't know.
With Steve's?
Yeah, I mean, it's going to be close enough. Basically, it will be in alignment, yeah. I'm going to shoot it without this on first, just to...
See if it cycles?
Yeah, make sure it works, and then, you know, make sure the iron sights are on.
Are you going to paint it, you said?
Yeah, I'm probably just going to Aerovo or something, or slide. See, I think it looks better without that stupid barrel. You know, I think I'll take this light off, too. Just for right now.
Because Glock has lights on them, I heard. Is it hitting the RMR?
Is it?
It looks like it. Because 19s usually come straight back.
19s usually come back, yeah. Should be good. Oh, the sight picture, though, is weird because there's parallax in this.
Oh, really?
It's all, like, weird looking through a lens.
Yeah. Which is good, because now it shoots them forward.
Is it bouncing off the lens every time?
I don't know about the lens, but it's pushing like every third one forward, so it must be hitting them. But yeah, it kind of looks like it would be hitting the lens, right? Nothing like that.
Yeah. Those irons are good enough, I guess. I wasn't shooting that great, but... Yeah. Wait, I need to bring it.
So the first shots are the ones there in the yellow. Well, that made yellow.
These don't really have good clicks. They don't seem real positive. It seems like they definitely have to be witness marked.
Oh, in other words, it's not like little detents in there? Oh, you can use it with the back of a case, though? That's pretty handy.
Let's see where that goes. Close. Was it those two to the right? I shot at the same ball. I should have shot at a different one.
Yeah,
I'm going to shoot at the little orange one.
Take it easy, Richard! I didn't know you had nice pistols.
Is that you or the gun?
Bit back left. Just...
Alright. I'll see you next.
That didn't do anything for me.
You were shooting at the center?
Yeah.
Are you having to notice that you're pointing down or looking different?
Yeah, totally different, of course.
1 minute till break.
I don't know, but you're used to shooting
1
weird
minute
shit.
till
Is that
break.
worth putting a target?
You have a smaller one too, right?
Huh?
And it's a smaller target. It might be better, though.
I guess it's 0. I mean,
How many was that?
10. I mashed the shit out of that one. That was awful.
I wish I could say there was some consistency, but yeah, they're all over.
I know. That's weird.
Here, let me look at that.
Dude, that was weird. That was like strange.
Well, like saying, is it because of things wiggling or just having to hold it down so low?
It's just, I think it's almost like I'm locked in here normally, and then now I'm like giving up my grip and my stance or something just because it's...
Well, what if you leave your grip the same and everything, but then move your head a little bit? Because you go way down onto your cheeks, right? Like I do?
I go...
Like the Masada Yub way? The way the Masada Yub teaches? Like this? What about, just changing your head? Does that help?
That was weird though.
Are you shooting it more?
Yeah, I've got, you can shoot it as much as you want to. I've got 15 rounds. And I'm going to leave after this iteration though.
You said you got 1,500 rounds to shoot this morning? That's pretty good.
How do you like the EOTech on the...
It's a Trijicon RMR. I'm just getting used to it right now. It just brand new, so.
Take a look.
Yeah, if you don't mind. Thank you.
Sure.
It definitely takes getting used to though, in the way you sight down the slide
wow.
and stuff.
I really like the concept of them, but
They're
it's...
pretty well justified, aren't they?
Yeah. It's just a little hard to get used to.
I could get used to it.
Yeah, just a little bit of a learning curve to get when you bring the gun up. But.
Who's the manufacturer of the upper, the slide and everything? TSD.
And then you buy it and it's got the slot right in there, right?
Right.
It's already milled, or you can also send your slide and have it milled.
Right. I know they're supposed to tout the ability of these things to make long-range hits with that particular sighting system.
I don't like that, dude.
That one was good. It was like at the 5 o'clock, right on the edge of the bowl.
I know, I see it. I really don't like it. Just because it's different, I guess. I'm sure that's what people said when they put an aim point on their M4 15 years ago.
Is that even? That was dead bullseye, dude.
That last one?
Yeah.
I actually felt
Stop
good
right there. Stop right there. You've mastered it.
Yes. I actually, that one I readjusted my grip a little bit and got locked in, and I was like, all right, I'm just going to take a little locked in grip and then just raise my head slightly, and then I press the trigger.
You've got much more consistent.
See where those went? I think one of them at least.
One of them was like at 11 o'clock, and it's a great shot, but I can't tell where the other one went.
The other thing is it's covered in fucking oil. It's hard to even see the irons through there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And that's just from your lubing the barrel and stuff.
Because I lube the shit out of the barrel right now when I put it in. All right, 2 more shots with the dot, and then you can shoot those 5, and then there you go. I gotta go.
Oh yeah, they're great. The vintage Smith & Wessons are wonderful.
Did I tell you what I learned about this dot? About how it's self-regulating if you want it to be?
Yeah, you say if you hold both sides, it turns self-regulating?
Yeah.
Do you agree with its self-regulation or whatever that?
Well, that's what I'm trying to see right now. I don't know.
I don't know if I like the idea of something being automatic if I'm not super comfortable with it.
That's why Steve, is saying definitely buy this one with where you can adjust it.
Oh.
Not.
Some of them are just self-regulating, you mean?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I wouldn't want that. You shooting at the top one again?
Yeah. One of that first shot was right there
I
next
was
to
gonna say, hopefully you'll get an item next to each other. I could say you cover them with a quarter, but yeah, that first one was like basically touching the orange.
There's 5 more shots. I don't know. I guess I'm still not sold on it, but obviously it's a good thing. I mean, you know, I just have to get used to it.
I just wanted to see what rapid's like.
They're good.
But, that dot is pretty big. Is that just the brightness though?
Yeah, it's 6.5 minutes of angle.
Oh, okay, I see.
So it's only 1 3/4 inches basically.
Well, it's even. I brought it down to where I can
Yeah.
see it, but not have to squint for it, and it's still kind of big. But I still rather have a big red dot than no dot.
Well, that's the thing. Yeah, you got all those rounds right in there, I think.
Oh, really?
Your last 2 were right in the by the bull there. I had 2 good ones. I should try shooting it quick, but I think that was all my ammo.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, I think you do way better.
The guys and gals of GunWebsites.com encourage you to take a CCW class every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thanks for watching GunWebsites.com.